Kamusta guys? Kamusta? Ano ang gawa natin ngayon? Ano ang pine-prepare niyong dinner? Ako ang lunch ko, nagprito ako ng isda, tapos ginawa kong paksiw. Wow. Alex Arigi, hi. Hi, beautiful. Thank you so much. Actually, I cut already. I cut already my hair. My hair, the long of, yeah. My hair before the length is until my butt. Now I cut it. Rajesh Tani Cora, hello. Thank you so much for coming to my live. How's everyone, guys? Let's drink coffee. Coffee is life to me, guys. I love coffee. But actually, my doctor told me that coffee is not allowed for me because I have diabetic. If you drink coffee, just only plain coffee, no sugar. But me, I put milk and a little bit of sugar, a brown sugar. Hello. I cannot read your comment, Rajis, because I don't know is that Hindi or Arabic. I don't know. Hello. How's everyone, guys? For viewers, thank you so much. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, please. Thank you so much. I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. What is this? What is this, E? What is that? Sammy, hi. What? I cannot read. What are you doing? I drink coffee. You want coffee? Hello, 7 viewers. Good evening. What time is it? Where's my another mobile phone? It's over here. Hi. Hello. Hi, Majid Sanka. I cannot. Why? What is this? What is your comment, guys? I cannot. English, please. English, please. English, please. I cannot read, please. My God. Can you comment in English? Would you mind? I want to open my laptop. Problem my nose. Keep shining. Right? I think I'm using my